Best Way Upholstery presents 1975 Ferrari Dino 308 GT4 Interior Restoration. We should replace front seats upholstery, fix the foam. The foam is completely destroyed. We will take care about it. Also, we should refresh rear seats by special spray for upholstery. We've removed steering wheel and prepared it for restoration. Furthermore, we should refresh the console. The door panels should be repaired and refreshed. We fixed foam and made it stronger. Here is restored steering wheel. After our works, Ferrari's interior looks fresh and nice. Passenger and driver doors are refreshed and fixed. Front seats get new leather upholstery. Rear seats and doors were refreshed and look pretty good. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please call 310-435-8417. We located in Los Angeles, California.